withdrawing funds held by iCloud can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you navigate through it. Step 1. Check your iCloud account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s-rock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Access payment settings. Once logged in, navigate to the payment settings or account settings section. This is usually found under the settings or account tab. Step 3. Select withdrawal option. Look for the option to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as withdraw or transfer funds or something similar. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Choose withdrawal method. Select a preferred withdrawal method. Options may include bank transfer, PayPal, or other payment services. Make sure to enter the necessary details for the chosen method. Step 5. Confirm and complete the withdrawal. Review the withdrawal details and confirm your request. You may receive a confirmation email or notification once the process is complete. Keep an eye on your account for the funds to appear. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully withdraw your funds from iCloud. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for assistance.